Running the team associated T5. J Concepts tires, Savic servo, J Concepts body, short speed motor, Protect battery, Spectrum radio, Hobby Wing speed controller, sponsored by J Concepts and Short Speed. That is Todd Brewer. And running the 22 3.0. Ooh, with the fancy cool Spectrum 6240 RX servo, the TLR body, Orion Ultimate stock motor, Orion battery, DX6R Spectrum radio, and the Orion R10.1. It's sponsored by Horizon Hobby, TLR, Spectrum, Orion, Zippy Graphics, Fine Line Designs, and 4-5 Racing. Special thanks to the Hobbyplex crew for an awesome event. That is Scott Kramer. And now from Urbandale, Iowa, right here in America, he is running the T5M with J Concepts tires, Savic servo, J Concepts body, Trinity motor, Orion battery and speed controller, Airtronics MT4 radio, Boom RC, Legit Lids, and BGRC are his sponsors. We're TQ, Chad Ruben King. All right, let's get it fitted up. Then we'll double check our marshalling situation. If you guys have taken a house transponder, please bring it back. My new rack cost almost $1,000 last year. None of you are supposed to have it in this one. Oh, marshals look good. Nice job, guys. Driver's ready. Marshal's ready. Shake and bake at the tone. Off we go. Let's see what we got. Once again, a pretty good start. We're about to top 5. There's a little bit of mix-ups back there. Well, we're getting through. So it's Ruben King, Kramer, Brewer, and Highblitter, your top 4 cut away. Oh man, no, there's your TQ. Upside down, there goes Kramer, Brewer, and Highblitter. Scott wins this one. He'll get the whole thing. He'll get to just rest and relax for a race. Oh, Scott a little short. Todd Brewer gets around. $115 down, 345 left to go. Your leader's right there in the middle of the track with the 4.0 doubles. It's Todd Brewer, our local boy. Or man. It's Todd and Scott. They pulled away from the pack. West Hicks up third. Jacob at fourth. Matt Mosier fifth in. Gear's going to drop. Then it's going to be Workman, Duncan, Baez, and Hansen. Todd and Scott have a pace of all of their own. They're doing 22-second laps. Scott just rolled it over, so Todd Brewer going to get a little bit of a breather. Wes has his hands full because there are 4 or 5 trucks behind him. There goes Highbritter, there goes Chad, there goes Matt, just like that. Oh, whoops. Thank you. All right, Chili getting together. Here comes your leader now. He's like, what's up, bros? Beep. That orange truck, orange and blue truck is your leader. He's going to take him out. And then the orange and purple truck is in second. The gold and black and white of Jacob Highblitter is in third. The silver, black, and matte, the orange and white, and then the silver and green. It's all for position. We're down 2 minutes left to go. Todd Brewer has a 3.5-second lead. Scott's got 4.5 over Jacob. Jacob's got 2 over Matt. Matt's got 0.8 over Chad. I keep saying Drew. Sorry, Chad. Then it's Wes, Keith, Louie, Trevor, and Ryan. Lead 3.4 seconds. Scott about straightaway back. Got it down to 2.8 seconds. Todd's got his hands full. He's got Louie and Keith and Wes in front of him. See that orange and blue truck? He is
1 minute left.
Trying to force this to an A-main number 3.
Have a drop down?
And Scott, unfortunately, kind of helping him out a little bit. Oh no, that was your leader getting hung up, so they're right back to where they were before Scott crashed.
No, I don't.
And it does get Jacob a little bit closer. We got 40 seconds to go.
I'll be getting boring with you next time.
Well, no one that I know of that owns a 12 or a 12S knows how to use any other special features other than the basic shit. So, what's the purpose?
Scott's free. Most lap traffic.
There's a drop down on this radio.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Oh, Jacob gets hung up.
Makes it heavy.
Chad's going to get a spot back.
There's a guy at our track that's got the black piano like you have with it, and it looks really nice.
Yeah, it's a guy who painted his own black.
Chad barely made the loop. Jacob did not. Across the loop, you are done. Jake in 4th. We're still waiting for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd.
A lot better. I was, before I switched over to Orion, I was running all the aircon and stuff. So setting all your stuff.
Todd will win this one and force an A-main number 3 to determine the overall champ. Scott's going to come in 2nd. Chad's going to come in 3rd.
I keep eyeing it, and I had an extra
And that is a wrap. So it's Todd, Scott, Chad, Jacob, Matt, Wes, Keith, Trevor, Louie, and Ryan. Let's get all of you guys back out there to Marshall. Could use a guest announcer for the next couple. This is your 13.5 4-wheel drive A-main number